Welcome to your safety and health briefing, essential for every future technician. Safety protects lives, prevents accidents, and ensures productivity in technical workplaces.
Always wear PPE, helmets, gloves, goggles, and boots to reduce risks. Use tools only for their intended purpose and check them before work.
Respect electricity. Never touch live wires and follow lockout/tagout procedures. Know fire exits and how to use extinguishers. Seconds count in emergencies.
Read labels carefully, wear protective gear, and store chemicals safely.
When moving heavy objects, lift with your legs, not your back. Protect yourself from strain injuries.
Remember to always wear proper PPE based on the nature of your tasks. Use earplugs or earmuffs in noisy environments to prevent hearing loss.
Pay attention to safety signs. They guide you through risks and safe practices.
Know where first aid kits are located and how to respond to minor injuries. But remember, FES, prevention is always better than cure.
If you notice irregularities or risky conditions at work, report them immediately. Prevention starts with awareness. Stay alert.
Safety is teamwork. Look out for yourself and your colleagues at all times. Stay alert. Fatigue and distraction are major causes of accidents. Take a break in between rigorous labors to maintain focus.
Know evacuation routes and emergency contacts. Practice makes response faster, especially during emergencies such as fire outbreak, accidents, and so forth.
Healthy worker drinks enough water. Good health supports safety. Hydrate, rest, and maintain fitness.
Remember, PPE, awareness, teamwork, and health are your safety foundations.
Following safety rules will keep you and your teammates safe.
Apply these practices daily.
Make safety your habit, not just a rule. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and succeed as future technicians.